In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Zoom to Zoho CRM. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in. It's always a good idea to begin from the main dashboard, so it's easier to find everything you need without getting lost in different menus. Once you're inside your account, look for the Setup option. This is where Zoho keeps most of the system settings, integrations, and customization tools, so if you ever need to connect another app in the future, this is usually the place to begin. After you click Setup, go to the Marketplace area and then select All. This section gives you access to the full list of available extensions and integrations that can work with Zoho CRM. Since Zoho supports many different apps, using the search feature will save you time and help you get directly to the tool you need. Next, click on the search bar and type in Zoom. As you type, you should see matching results appear. From those results, select Zoom for Zoho CRM. Make sure you choose the correct integration so that you're connecting the official Zoom extension designed specifically for Zoho CRM. Once you open the Zoom for Zoho CRM page, take a moment to read through the overview. This section is helpful because it explains what the integration does, how Zoom can work inside your CRM, and what features may become available after activation. For example, integrations like this can help connect meeting activity with your customer relationship workflows, which can make communication and follow-up more organized. When you're ready, click Activate. This starts the connection process between Zoom and Zoho CRM. After that, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. These prompts may guide you through permissions, account authorization, or confirmation steps needed to complete the setup. Just read each screen carefully and continue through the process until the integration is fully enabled. If a permission request appears, make sure you review it before accepting so you understand what access is being granted. That helps ensure the integration works properly while also keeping your setup clear and secure. Once everything is completed, Zoom should be linked to your Zoho CRM account. At that point, you can begin using the integration based on the features available in your version of Zoho CRM and Zoom. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.